Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Richmond, St. Anne, and straight ahead is where they're going to be building the new Secrets Hotel in St. Anne, Richmond, St. Anne. Now when it comes on to mega developments, there are two places in Jamaica that stand out. Montego Bay and St. Anne, or I should say St. James and St. Anne. And although Montego Bay has more hotels, St. Anne is building a lot more. The largest hotel in Jamaica is in St. Anne, and they're actually expanding it. So Secrets has chosen St. Anne for the location of their newest hotel, which will be their third hotel in Jamaica. They actually have two hotels in Montego Bay. So we are going to give you more information on what's happening out here. The planned Secrets Resort Richmond is one of the most significant tourism investments proposed for Jamaica's north coast. Located at Richmond Estate near Priory, just east of Runaway Bay, the adults-only luxury resort is expected to strengthen St. Anne's position as one of the Caribbean's premier tourism destinations. The project reflects continued investor confidence in Jamaica and is expected to generate substantial economic benefits for the parish and the country. The development is planned to include approximately 715 guest rooms, including 15 overwater villas, along with specialty restaurants, beach bars, swimming pools, a luxury spa, wedding facilities, water sports amenities, and landscape beachfront areas. The environmental impact assessment outlines a phased approach, with the first phase delivering about 500 rooms before the remaining rooms are added as market demand grows. The resort is also expected to have a major impact on employment and the local economy. The project forms part of the broader wave of tourism expansion across Jamaica. Alongside the planned expansion of Bahia Principal and other major resort developments, the Secret Resort is expected to increase visitor arrivals, attract higher spending tourists, and generate additional foreign exchange earnings. The investment is also expected to stimulate improvements in infrastructure, roads, utilities, and nearby commercial developments, creating wider opportunities for residents and businesses throughout St. Anne. Once completed, the Secrets Resort Richmond is expected to become one of Jamaica's flagship luxury resorts, enhancing the country's international tourism brand while creating lasting economic opportunities for the people of St. Anne and Jamaica as a whole. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.